Good morning students. Today we are going to start with the estimation of sum, difference and product. You have already done estimation, so approximation, and this is just an add-on of that content. So let's deal with the examples. Example number 4, which says that estimate the sum of this and this by estimating the numbers to the nearest tens, hundreds and thousands. So you have to remember that nearest tens means you have to check from ones. So this becomes 12900. 4 is smaller than 5, so it will not be rounded off. So 12,900 will be the rounded off number for this. And for this we will check again from, because it's nearest tens, so once we'll check 8 is greater than 5, so this is rounded off to 9 and this becomes 02890 is the answer. We add them, 15,790 will be your estimated sum for these two numbers. Now nearest hundreds. In case of nearest hundreds, we will check from tens. So if you see here, tens place is 0, so 12,900 will be the estimated rounding off number for this. And here we will check from tens, so 8 is greater than 5, so this will become plus 1, these two becomes 0, so 2900 will be the answer for this. And then we will sum of these two numbers will be 15,800. 9918 224 plus 15, 15,800 will be your answer. Nearest thousands, it's very easy. From 100 you have to check, yes, this will be rounded off, 9 is greater than 5, so 13,000 is the rounded off number. And here this is also rounded off to 3,000 because hundreds place is 8 greater than 5, so 3,000. So 13 plus 3, 16,000 will be your final estimated answer. Now we will find the difference here. Every process is same, only instead of adding we will subtract. So nearest thousands, hundreds will check, 6 is greater than 5, 6,000 will be the rounded off number for this. If we check from 100 place, because thousands place we have to find, there is no thousands place, 0 is here, we won't round it off because 4 is smaller than 5, so answer is 0. So 6,000 minus 0 is 6,000. Now nearest 100 we will check, that means we have to see from tens. So tens means 7 is greater than 5, this will become 5700, and tens here it's 3 smaller than 5, so these two become 0 and this will become 4 only. So 5,700 minus 400 will give you 5,300. That will be your answer, estimated difference. To its greatest place, that means the greatest place of this is 1000 and the greatest place of this number is 100. So we'll check nearest 1000, that is 6 is greater than 5, so this will be rounded off to 6,000. And here we will check from tens, so 3 is not greater than 5, so 400 will remain as it is, so 6,000 minus 400 will give you 5,600 is the estimated difference. Okay, and the actual difference is when you subtract 5673 from 436, 13 minus 6 is 7, 6 minus 3 is 3, okay, 6 minus 4 is 2, and 5237 will be your actual difference answer. Now we will estimate the product to its greatest place. Here greatest place tens, here it is hundreds. So nearest ones we will check. So 1 is smaller than 5, this will become 80. And here we will check from tens, 7 is greater than 5, this will become 5, and these two places 0, 500. So 80 into 500 will give you 40,000, which will be your answer. Next example, 1291 multiplied by 592, greatest and nearest 100. First let's check greatest, it's 1000 and it's hundreds. So nearest thousands will be 1000 because 2 is smaller than 5, hundreds place, and here hundreds place 9 is greater than 2, therefore this will become 600. So 1000 into 600 will give you 6 lakh. Now nearest hundreds we will check in both the numbers. So from tens we'll check, yes, this will be rounded off to 1300 because 9 is greater than 5 at tens place. And at tens place, this also again it will be rounded off to 600. So 13 into 6 is 78, and 4 zeros, 7,80,000 will be your answer, and the original sum will be 7,64,272 as per your normal multiplication process. Okay, so this is all about the plus, minus and multiply estimation sums, and you will be able to solve the exercises if you go through these examples, based on these examples. Now see, this is nearest to its greatest place, that means 100, 100, 100, 100. Here it is 10,000, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. So from 1,000 you will check. Here also from 1,000 you will check. Here from 100 you will check, and near rounded off to 1,000, rounded off to 10,000. Okay, here greatest place, that means 100, 100, 1,000 and tens place, you have to round it off. Here again nearest hundreds you have, so nearest hundreds means from tens you will check and you will round off nearest hundreds. Hope you have understood these sums and you will be able to do the exercises. So go through it and follow the examples. God bless.